Time for this morning's Show Me the Money. Wild weather can happen anytime and it can be disastrous. We've recently seen the toll flooding can have. Unfortunately, many people find out the hard way they're not covered.
Look at the people's doors.
We've seen these images lately of dangerous flooding in parts of Pennsylvania and across the country. We've experienced our fair share of it here in the Mid-State over the years, too.
This is the worst they've seen it.
Remember the aftermath of Hurricane Ida and the devastation it caused in communities like Hummelstown back in 2021? Of course, it doesn't always take a major storm to make a major mess.
Virtually anywhere it can rain, it can flood. And if that's the case, then homeowners, small businesses, renters need to make sure they have the right insurance protection, which means getting a flood insurance policy in place before that next flooding event happens.
David Marstad is with FEMA. He's seen firsthand the kind of damage weather causes and the financial toll it takes on people who don't have insurance.
After every major flood event, when I go into a neighborhood, there might be one or two homes that have the National Flood Insurance protection. Many people believe that either their homeowners or their business policy will cover them for a flood event, and generally speaking, it does not.
1 inch of water in a home can cause up to $25,000 in damage. Being covered is crucial.
It's important to not wait or try to figure out when that flood event may happen, but to contact your insurance agent, your insurance company representative now to make sure that you have that right insurance protection in place.
And you're talking about the dangers, especially for people who live near rivers. But what about everyone else? Is this something they should be considering too, having flood insurance?
No, there's no question. You can get a heavy rainfall event. We've seen a number of them over the course of the past 12 months. They're becoming more severe, more frequent. 5-6 inches of rain in a very short period of time can cause a lot of damage, even in areas that are not near a river.
In fact, David says there's a greater chance you'll have a flood in your home than a fire.
Many people who experience a flood didn't think they ever would. And so we want to close the insurance gap, make sure that people have that flood insurance coverage they need.
And if you get that insurance policy, how long does it typically take before it goes into effect?
Yeah, that's a very important point because with a National Flood Insurance policy, there's generally a 30-day waiting period so that you have to make sure that you don't wait until that flood event is forecast. You need to get that insurance policy in place now.
And besides insurance, there are other things you can do to reduce your financial risk during a flood. Remove valuables from the lowest levels of your home, like the basement. Raise electrical equipment so it's not damaged by water on the floor. And keep important documents in a safe container that you can take with you if a flood approaches. You can find more information on all of this at floodsmart.gov.